Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, we're now in the 3 miles area and we're going to make a left here. No, actually we're going to go up to Spanish Town Road. That road on the left there is a temporary road that was built to facilitate the flow of traffic when the 3 miles overpass, which is what you see straight ahead, was being built. So it was a temporary road, but persons still use it. It takes you onto Spanish Town Road through the Seaview Gardens area. But we're going to go on to Spanish Town Road straight ahead so you guys can get a look at the overpass. Now this is a double overpass that was built in the 3 miles area. The road straight ahead is the higher of the two overpasses, and that's Hagley Park Road, and it will take you directly. Hagley Park Road takes you into Halfway Tree. The lower overpass, which you're going to see in a few seconds, that's the Spanish Town Road overpass. And we're going to go on to Spanish Town Road. Now, this intersection of Spanish Town Road with Hagley Park Road is the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So that's why the double overpass was built here. And this is actually the only double overpass in Jamaica. So this is a very nice view of the overpass now. We are on the ground floor. Or we're on the ground level. So the road straight ahead that runs left right or east west, that's the Spanish Town Road overpass. It's the lower of the two, and then the one at the top is the Hagley Park Road overpass. So if you continue straight on Hagley Park Road, we're going to Halfway Tree, but we're going to turn left and go on to Spanish Town Road. So this is Spanish Town Road we're now on. And Spanish Town Road will take us all the way down to Mandela Highway. So Spanish Town Road is being renovated now. The road is to be paved over soon, and it's going to look similar to Marcus Garvey Road or Mandela Highway, but it's not going to have the concrete barricades in the middle. But this section of the road is actually 4 lanes. But Water Commission recently laid some pipes, so once they have finished pressure testing the pipes, the contractors will start renovating the road. So the road, you can see the state the road is in now, it's because it was dug up for the pipes to be laid. So you're going to find a lot of manufacturing plants, a lot of warehouses on this road. And it's very close to the wharf, so you're going to find a lot of activity. So basically you have a lot of car dealerships here as well. Like the Toyota dealership is here, KIG is here. On the right is Select Brands, on the left is Excelsior. Now coming up on the left is the DNG 214 Exchange. That's where they manufacture Red Stripe, and they distribute Pepsi and Heineken, all those things over there. So this is a very busy road. You can find a lot of trucks use the road as well. So on the left now is the 214 Exchange. It's where it's a Red Stripe 214 Exchange. They also not only manufacture the stuff there, but they sell the product from there as well. So at this intersection now, if you turn left, you're going to Seaview Gardens. And at the beginning of the video, we were talking about a temporary road that was built to facilitate the traffic when the overpass was being built. This is where that road comes out, at this stoplight. So now J. Ray and Nephew's facilities on the left, and they make the J. Ray and Nephew white rum in Jamaica, which is very popular. It's actually a very popular rum all across the world. But I don't know if this is where they manufacture, but this is their distribution, their head office basically, where they distribute the products. This is a warehouse where they store it. It's a very large facility on the left. If anybody knows if they actually make the rum over there, they can let us know. They probably do, because I can't remember ever seeing a J. Ray and Nephew manufacturing or facility anywhere other than here. So I think they actually manufacture it over there. But that tall building on the left, that's their head office. And there on the left, where you see all the containers, that's their warehouse facility. Now on the left is some more warehouses, and one particular one is the Burjo. That's the paint, Burjo Paints. That's their facility on the left. On the right is the Massey Distribution Center. And where you see this road that looks like it has been dug up, that's where Water Commission laid their pipes. So at this intersection now, you turn right, you go onto Weymouth Drive, and that takes you into the Washington Gardens area. It also takes you back to Washington Boulevard. We're going to go straight, and on the left is the Riverton area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.